Alright, fans and family. Want to tell me my son never new single, alright? Warrior, warrior, survivor, warrior. You see? There's a time and place for everything. There's a time for bathroom singing and there's a time for outer road singing. Boy, the angel, and set your wicked baby love. Somebody pay your team, lad, God, so probably I. Somebody pay your team. I don't like you. And fans no matter wonder why I do this in the bathroom. It's just to prove a point. Say, bathroom singing and regular singing are two different something. Because me sound good enough. I don't care what no one say. Right now I know say me shot. Me feel say me shot. But guess what? When you listen to this, when me post it, my might not sound good. Angel, is you and Bunty was still together. Me would have honestly believe that after you get a fine amarin, you go ball out for that song. They got baby, that is not singing. I don't singing that. Want to DJ, you know do it again? Lord have mercy. Somebody from your team do you something? Somebody from your team not like you. Them not like you. And them free to tell us straight up, so them just produce this crap of a song. Why? The song I get views. Nobody think it now get views. But if you ever read the comments, you may probably go cover up yourself and stretch and take out yourself a few days. A song horrible, baby. Horrible. Horrible. Even Armani, why go live up woman name, even she couldn't do a better job. Song horrible, baby. You cannot put yourself in a category of them people there. Producing team, you know want hang from off of the transport center then half a tree. The whole on one string up one and hang and shot two before no hang on the two wicked. That never come a road. That wickedness. Can't blame Star because Star do his job. It's a new release Wednesday or whatever. That is a new release, but trust me, that's not for release out in a public. That's for release through a backyard. Angel baby, let's see if they can come back again, alright? And do. Let's be singing. Go do something. You look nice. Go muggle. You never want close to the road. Up south from Constant Spring. Yeah man, go do something. Just leave out the singing alone. You see like it not fit me. It not fit you. They sound like when them lick dog with stone. And that's when that ever hear when dog get lick and they go ow, ow. And when puss tail squeeze up in the door and they say Becca go be there. Alright Angel, take my friendly advice or my family advice and go get yourself a different producing team and leave the singing alone, alright? Have yourself a wonderful night.